Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is I'll be explaining a few points about content writing in this video. So let's begin. So the first point is audience understanding. You need to understand the audience what they want from the content that you're presenting, and for that you need to begin with knowing your target audience, their needs, their preferences, and their pain points, and language so you can tailor your message for maximum relevance and engagement. I'll say that once again. Audience understanding. Effective content writing begins with knowing your target audience, their needs, preferences, pain points, and language. So you can tailor your message for maximum relevance and engagement. The next thing that you need to keep in mind is clear and concise messaging. Good content communicates ideas clearly and avoids jargon or wordiness, ensuring readers grasp the core message quickly and easily. You need them to grasp your message quickly and easily. For that, you need to understand, make the message clear, concise, and easy to read, comprehend, and understand. You're not supposed to use difficult words. Jargon is simply using difficult words. You don't need to use them at all. You can write shorter sentences and make the content easy to understand. That will make your message more clear and crisp. And then we have SEO integration, incorporating relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and proper reading structures help content rank higher in search engines, increasing visibility and organic traffic. So, SEO plays a pivotal role in your content writing. Incorporating relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and proper reading structures. You need to have proper reading structures as well. For example, heading 1 comes at the top, then comes heading number 2, and then you have heading number 3, 4, 5, and so on. It needs to have a proper structure. Helps content rank higher in search engines, increasing visibility and organic traffic. With these SEO integrations, you can rank your pages higher on the search results. And then we have compelling headlines. A strong headline captures attention, sparks curiosity, and encourages readers to continue, often determining whether your content gets read at all. You need to have a strong headline that captures readers' attention and that also sparks curiosity. They want to stay on your page and they want to read more. And for that, you need to have compelling headlines. And this also encourages readers to continue, often determining whether your content gets read at all. And the next point is value driven content. Successful writing provides genuine value, whether through education, entertainment, problem solving, or inspiration, building trust and authority with the audience. You need to provide value within your content for your audience. It can be in the form of informational blog posts, educational, entertainment. You can solve a problem that they have, or you can even provide an inspirational piece that provides an inspiration for them and other stuff. You can use any tactic from the book, and this will build trust and authority with the audience. Audience is the key, audience is king. So you need to keep these things in mind. And the next point is editing and proofreading. Polished, error free content enhances credibility and readability. Through revisions, thorough revisions ensures clarity, consistency, and professionalism. Editing and proofreading. You need to edit and proofread your content rigorously. Polished, error free content enhances credibility and reader readability. Thorough revisions ensures clarity, consistency, and professionalism. All these things are important. They provide a holistic picture for your audience. They can scan your paper or whatever article you have written. They scan it within 2-3 minutes. first. They do that initially, and then they decide that whether they want to read it or not. So thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.